We learn that Paul, he has these visions, these dreams of what could be. His mom is trying to like walk him through it as he's experiencing. It's like a bad acid trip. And the mom is asking like what he fears. And he keeps saying like, I see a holy war. Like everyone's fighting in my name, worshiping at my father's skull. And he talks about this like warrior religion. And it's that scene is so good because you start to see that Paul he's becoming a part of something bigger than him and it's taking control of him, right? And the mom keeps trying to tell him, you know who you are. You know who you are.
But the mom is wanting him to be that person.
Yeah, so that's the tension of the scene. Yeah. She says, you are Paul Atreides. You are your father's son. You are my son. And I'm like, that's the tension right there that he's in. Because then, do you guys remember how Paul lashes back at her when he yells?
You Bene Gesserit made me a freak.
Yes, yes.
Like you did this.
You did this to me. Yeah, starting to wake up to this. But it's interesting because the mom, like you said, Nick, is trying to sit there and say, you know who you are. but at the same time, she's going to almost manipulate who he is. And the mother is saying, this is who you really are.
She's trying to tie the identities together.
Yes. Ooh, that's a great way of putting it.
Yeah, but the full-on manipulation of that doesn't really come until
Part two.
For sure.